Hi guys, today I am going to make my logo with a simple particle animation. First of all, we have to create a new composition. Keep this frame rate as 30 and the duration 5 seconds, color black, then OK. Then we have to bring my logo. This is my logo. I bring it here. So bring it to the timeline. Create a new solid, and rename it as background, and let the color as white color. OK. Now go to the effects and presets. We have to search about gradient ramp. Here it is. Then bring it to the background layer. OK. Change the color here. Change this linear to radial and increase the white color like this from here, from the end of ramp, as you like. OK. Then bring the background down. From this logo, change it to pre-compose. OK. Then you can copy this logo by pressing Ctrl D and hide the second logo. Now go again to the effects and presets, looking for CC ball action. Here it is. Put this on the first layer like this. Then move the cursor to the number 2 of seconds, and rotation axis change it to Z axis. Then we can check the scatter, rotation, grid spacing, and ball size. Then change grid spacing to 1 and move the cursor again back to the beginning. Now going to the scatter and change this number to 500 and the rotation to -2 from here, -2, and grid spacing 5. Now we can check this, our logo, it's OK. Press U to the first layer, so the frames can appear like this, and from ball size change the number to 200 by pressing the ball size. Then we can create a frame. Then we move this cursor to second number 1. Also it appears here as 1 second. Then we at 1 second we can bring back this frame to here to 1 second. Now make all the frame highlighted and press any one frame, right click, keyframe assistant, then easy as. Okay, now bring this cursor to the 2 second and 15 as it is shown here, 2 second plus 15, and from edit, split layer, and ignore the last portion by pressing delete, and hide the second layer like this so my logo can appear again, and press this second layer, and from the effects and presets, search for CC lens. Okay, then bring this lens to the second layer, and from this size make it 0. Then we can move this cursor to 4 second. It is appear here 4 seconds. Then again the size make it 500. Okay, let us try like this. Alright, now again from the effects and presets. Alright, we can come again and type CC force motion. Here it is, bring it to the second layer. Motion blur, change it to 200. Okay, now we have finished to make our logo by particles in a simple way. Preview. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much and see you next time.